Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to join YouTube Premium on your phone. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to the YouTube app. You have to open it. And after that, go and click on your picture on the bottom right of the screen. And after that, go and click on the settings icon on the top right of the screen. And as you can see here, there is an option called Purchases and Memberships. Click on it and it will tell you like the offers available from YouTube. And as you can see here, there is YouTube Premium. And as you can see also, for almost all new memberships, YouTube gives you the first month for free, and after that you will start paying. So you have to click on that picture of YouTube Premium, and if nothing happened, click on Learn More. And as you can see here, it tells you like YouTube Premium, all YouTube, no interruptions. It will tells you what are the advantages of getting Premium. And as you can see, there is multiple types of memberships. You can have individual membership for you alone, or you can have family membership. And for the family membership, you can share it with 5 people. And of course, also the price of YouTube Premium is different from country to country. For example, because my iPhone is set to the United States store, so it tells me it's $19 per month. But because I'm living in Tunisia, I pay only $6 per month for the YouTube Premium. And to subscribe, you have just to click on that try 1 month for $0. And it asks me for payment now. So I have 1 month for free, and after that I will start paying. I click on subscribe. And here you should just put your password, and after that click on confirm, and you will subscribe to YouTube Premium. I hope that you liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.